Exercise 5.4 of chapter Continuity and Differentiability. There are 10 questions. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First is e raised to power x upon sin x and so on. The first question is this: e raised to power x by sin x. Now take y equal to e raised to power x upon sin x. By using the quotient rule. Quotient rule means division rule is dy over dx equal to denominator and differentiation of numerator minus numerator and differentiation of denominator divided by square of denominator. Okay, the denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator. Now write dy over dx. Denominator it is sin x and differentiation of numerator. Numerator is e raised to power x minus numerator and differentiation of denominator divided by square of denominator. It is sin square x. We know that the d over dx ex equal to ex. So e raised to power x sin x minus e raised to power x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x by sin square x. We can take sin x minus cos x by sin square x. This is the differentiation of e raised to power x upon sin x. Next question number 2. The second one is e raised to power sin inverse x. Let y equal to e raised to power sin inverse x. We will differentiate with the chain rule. Chain rule means number 1 by 1. So now e raised to power sin inverse x, the differentiation of e raised to power sin inverse x is this, and now the differentiation of sin inverse x. This is a chain rule. So we can write e raised to power sin inverse x and the differentiation of sin inverse x equal to under root 1 minus x square. Okay. The chain rule is this: d over dx of e raised to power function x. For this e raised to power function x, the rule is e raised to power this and d over dx of the function. Okay, this is for the this. The answer is e raised to power sin inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square by this rule. Okay. Now question number 3. E raised to power x cube. Let y equal to e raised to power x cube. The same rule applied like in the question number 2. This question. Okay. The same dy over dx equal to e raised to power x cube and d raised to power dx cube. The e raised to power x cube, the differentiation of x cube equal to 3x square. The answer we can write 3 e raised to power x cube into 3x square. 3 e raised to power x cube into x square. Okay, by the same rule. Next question. Next question is sin tan inverse e raised to power minus x. By applying chain rule, let first y equal to sin tan inverse e raised to power minus x. So first we have to differentiate sin. Sin means cos tan inverse e raised to power minus inverse x d over dx tan inverse x tan inverse e raised to power minus x. Okay, the first rule is this. Now second, again cos tan inverse e raised to power minus x. Differentiation of tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus e raised to power minus x whole square, and d over dx e raised to power minus x. Okay. Next, again final e tan inverse this upon 1 plus e raised to power minus 2x, and the differentiation of e raised to power minus x, it is minus 1 into e raised to power minus x. E raised to power minus x is minus x, and the differentiation of again minus x. Differentiation of e raised to power minus x, this minus e raised to power minus x, and differentiation of minus x. Now we can write minus e raised to power minus x upon 1 plus e raised to power minus 2x, this, and cos tan inverse e raised to power minus inverse, and the differentiation of minus x equal to minus 1. And the answer minus, there is no minus only because I have to differentiate minus x again. Therefore, only this answer positive because I am differentiated again. Therefore, the final answer is e raised to power minus x cos tan inverse e raised to power minus x by 1 plus e raised to power minus 2x. The function is log cos e raised to power x. Let y equal to log cos e raised to power x. Now dy over dx. The log means the differentiation of log equal to, you can write this, d over dx of log x equal to 1 by x. Equal to 1 by x. So we can write 1 upon cos e raised to power x, and d over dx of cos e raised to power x. Now again chain rule. Continue apply chain rule till the differentiation of last number is not done. The differentiation of cos is minus sine e raised to power x, and d over dx e raised to power x, and the last term is minus differentiation of e raised to power x is e raised to power x sine e raised to power x divided by cos e raised to power x. Cos e raised to power x, no need of bracket, you can write cos e raised to power x. Okay, next, okay, minus e raised to power x, we can say sin e raised to power x upon cos e raised to power x, it is tan e raised to power x. This is the simplest form of your answer. Question number 6. The next question is e raised to power x plus e raised to power x square e raised to power so on e raised to power x raised to power 5. Now we can write y equal to e raised to power x e raised to power x square e raised to power x cube e raised to power x raised to power 4 and e raised to power x raised to power 5. Now differentiate each terms. Dy over dx equal to each term d over dx e raised to power x d over dx e raised to power x square okay, 5 terms. Now first the differentiation of e raised to power x is e raised to power x. What the, in this case by chain rule, d over dx x square. In this, e raised to power x cube and differentiation of x cube. Differentiate e raised to power x raised to power 4 and differentiation of x raised to power 4. And e raised to power x raised to power 5 and differentiation of x raised to power 5. Okay. Now the final answer is e raised to power x. Differentiation of x square equal to plus 2x e raised to power x square. Differentiation of x cube 3x square e raised to power x cube. 4x cube e raised to power x raised to power 4. And 5 x raised to power 4 and e raised to power x raised to power 5. Differentiate them. By this rule, differentiation of x raised to power n equal to n x raised to power n minus 1. If it is x raised to power 3, it means 3 x raised to power 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. The question number 7. The function is square root of e raised to power square root x. Now take y equal to, we can write e raised to power root x raised to power 1 by 2. Okay. Now take the differentiation. The differentiation of e raised to power x raised to power n according to the 1 by 2 e raised to power root x raised to power minus 1 by 2 by n minus 1 this, and the differentiation of e raised to power root x. Okay, the first part by applying chain rule, 1 by 2 upon e raised to power root x raised to power 1 by 2. Now e raised to power root x differentiation is e raised to power root x and differentiation of root x. Again, e raised to power root x upon 2 root of root e raised to power x, and differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 x raised to power minus 1 by 2. So it is equal to e raised to power root x upon 4 under root x and under root e raised to power root x. The question number 8 is log x. Let y equal to log x. Now differentiation of dy over dx. The differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x. It means 1 by log x. And the again differentiation of log x. 1 upon log x and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. The answer is 1 upon x log x. Question number 9. Cos x upon log x. Y equal to cos x upon log x. By division rule we will differentiate of this one. Okay. Now dy over dx equal to the log x and differentiation of cos x. It means the same formula, denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator and differentiation of denominator, and log x whole square. Okay, log x whole square. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x into log x minus cos x, and differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x, and it is log x whole square. Take minus common, it is log x sin x plus cos x by x into log x x, here is x sin x log x plus cos x by x log x whole square. This is the answer. And the last one is cos log x plus e raised to power x. Y equal to cos log x plus e raised to power x. Now differentiate cos x. The differential cos x is sin x. Sin x means log x plus e raised to power x, and d over dx of log x plus e raised to power x minus sin log x plus e raised to power x, and differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x and e raised to power x. In simplified form, you can write sin log x plus e raised to power x 1 plus x into e raised to power x by x. This is the solution of question number 10. Thank you.